Hello, it's Anne. I'm back at the studio today, and well, I thought these would make a nice background for my video, because my studio is actually also a gallery where I sell other artisans' works. So you can see up here the paintings of my friend Londez. And behind me you can see mostly, let me show you the gorgeous colors, the silk and wool work from Carolina Feliz, and also some linen knits from Catherine, from Lise Berthollet, sorry. And so that's not what I wanted to talk to you about. I just wanted to tell you that I'm getting a lot of comments now on my videos, and in these comments there are questions. And it's a little bit difficult for me to answer all the questions in the comments, and also some of you have been emailing me, and I don't have the time or the possibility to go into each case separately. But I'm going to offer you to join my private Facebook group, which is called Glass by Anne Londez, the Glasses Club, and which was mostly, which started life as a group for my customers and for my students also. And I'm now expanding it to include people who have questions about my YouTube videos and the processes I'm explaining in those videos. And it's going to be both in French and in English, so whatever language you speak, we can deal with that, okay? So I'm going to put the link for the group below this video in the description. And I'll look forward to seeing you there. So don't hesitate to join. Of course, you have to be courteous, and you have to be aware of the rules and respect them. This is my group, so I don't want any negativity in there. And if you don't abide by the rules, then you'll get kicked out pretty quickly with very little warning. It's my place, okay? I decide. But that said, I intend for it to be a positive place, a place where we find solutions rather than just whine and complain, because this is not my style, and also it's not productive enough. So we all have too much to do without spending time doing that, okay? And so don't hesitate to ask your questions there. I'll try and be there as often as I can. And also other people who have the knowledge might be able to help you also. Okay, so don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Oh, okay, and just one little thing. I just want to add something about the Urgio challenge, which is open only until tomorrow. In the previous video, I told you that I had been a better tester for it, yes, and that I highly recommend it. And I want to say also that it's really cheap compared to all the marketing classes that you might have been tempted to join. So you're not taking much of a risk, okay? It's just learning the really important things about how to create a product line. But the important thing is that the link that I had put in the first video was wrong, and it sent you to another selling page, which wasn't the right one. So I've corrected it. I'll put it again in this video in the description also. And don't forget that it's closing tomorrow. It was only open for a few days, and really it's worth it. If you have a product-based business and you've been struggling with how to develop it, and learning how to create product lines is really an important step, okay? And you can see here, Carolina knows how to do that perfectly well, and she's a... So, if you want to join, just check the description below, and I'll see you later. Bye.